The third espresso machine on our list is the Philips Automatic Espresso Machine. If you'd like to avoid the high-maintenance coffee-making process, the Philips Automatic Espresso Machine has got your back. This item has a new steam pipe that actively prevents leaks and spills and an AquaClean water filter that provides you with clear and purified water. Since this item will be giving you the full cafe experience, it sports a heftier profile at 17.05 inches in length, 9.68 inches in width, and 14.65 inches in height. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Philips Automatic Espresso Machine a 5-batch rating.